Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson and I'll be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap last week's market action and discuss our game plan for the coming week. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, stocks bounced on Friday after payrolls data came in hotter than expected. The U.S. economy added more jobs than what was forecast. I said that it was most likely going to happen because we got reports that he announced the previous night that Thursday night that he was going to have a press conference at 11:30 a.m. after the jobs data. That means it was leaked. He got it. He got the report. He thought it was a strong report. Goes out and plays politics. Says that the economy is stronger than expected. With job growth, and then the markets bounced off the 420. I know a lot of economists were saying, well, the reason that the market rallied on Friday was that wage growth came in lower than expected or not as hot. So that's wage growth. If it comes in lower, that's inflationary or non-inflationary, and that was a positive sign. This week will really determine if Friday was just a dead cat bounce, or do we trend higher from here as the bottom in, or are we going to go back down and go lower, test the lows? We shall see. We get CPI data on Thursday. Earnings start on Friday. JP Morgan, the banks, Wells Fargo's reporting, Citigroup. So we're going to get a better read on the economy this week. So and right now yields are still climbing. The U.S. 10-year yield 4.805, 2-year yield 5.085. Again, we're still up here, very, very high levels, and that is what the market has been focused on. These yields just continue climbing, and that has been bearish on stocks. I've been saying I feel that the Fed is going to keep hiking until they break something. That is just how they do. I know the last time I saw this was really 2007, and then we got the great financial crisis of 2008, 2009. I'm not saying we're going to get that, but again, it just seems like everyone is very complacent right now. I know Michael Burry's been talking about, things could get bad. We saw earlier this year, with Silicon Valley Bank, a lot of these banks bought treasuries, last year when rates were much lower. The value of those bonds, if you don't hold them to maturity, the value of those bonds have gone down. And the reason being is, why would you go and buy a bond, a 10-year yield bond paying 2%, when you can go buy one right now paying 4.8%. So again, that is, and a lot of banks, a lot of people bought those bonds last year, and that is why, if you look at the ETF, the TLT, this is why, how can, people are saying, how can the price of bonds be dropping like that? That is the reason. So the TLT ETF, it was just 109, earlier this year, started the year 108, 109. We're at 84. This is just, unreal, unprecedented. This is probably the most severe treasury bond bear market certainly in my lifetime. So it is absolutely ugly out there in treasuries, and that is what's going on right now. And, in terms of other markets, gold corrected, oil corrected from $95 down to 82. I talked about this in my video. That was a concern that I have is, oil going over 100, rising gas prices. It's bad for the economy. It is inflationary. So we got a correction this week. That is a positive sign. So let's see how it all plays out. But in terms of, small caps right now, it's a tough market. You got to be focusing right now on singles and doubles. We're not getting the triple-digit runners. It's sentiment. And right now, the sentiment is indeed bearish. So when you have a bearish sentiment, you're not going to get, people coming off the sidelines and throwing money at stocks. If you look at Robinhood, you look at retail, we see it in our own traffic. A lot of investors, we see it in our video views, just a lot of people are tuning out from the stock market. And, you can go and get 4 or 5% in a money market right now, or in a, high yield savings account with one of the online banks. I got short-term treasury bonds, treasury notes, and I also got Capital One getting 4.3% there. So again, that is what's, there is an alternative right now. You don't have to be in the stock market to earn return on your cash. So that's what's going on right now. Looking at some headlines, as we said here, Wall Street will see confirmation inflation is easing in the week ahead after Friday's job report. Again, another tough start to October. We get PPI on Wednesday, FOMC meetings at 2 p.m. As I said, CPI Thursday, 8:30 a.m. Starting getting earnings, Domino's, Walgreens Boots. Walgreens Boots just been a horrible stock there. It's trading near 10, 15-year lows, just unreal. And then on Friday, you get BlackRock, PNC, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. So get more indication, as I said earlier, about the state of the banking industry, state of commercial real estate, people borrowing, what the status of credit is right now. Let's see here. What else? Fingermotion, as I said, we've been talking about this one for past week now. The $5 level here held, got a nice bounce. We got the sell-off on the short and distort report last week. I talked about that in the Wednesday night video. When you get these short and distort reports, you get a lot of weak hands, the retail panic, they sell. A lot of times you get this retracement here, and that's exactly what we got here. Next level on FNGR, we're here at 645. We got resistance here at $7 to $8. We can't get above here. It's going to go lower. As I said, last week, trade them, don't own them, don't fall in love with any of these plays. VCNX, a nice day on Friday, up 34%. What I do here is you can go to finviz.com, go to insider trading, top insider trading recent week, and this one here, director, he bought $3 million worth of stock at $1. Insider buying, that is one thing that is working right now. If you see insiders, board members, CEOs, officers, directors, buying, over $1 million worth, that is the key for me. That's what I look for. Asana, Dustin Moskovitz, he's a co-founder of Facebook. He's worth like $13 billion. He's the president CEO of Asana, ASAN, and this guy is just, I've never seen an insider buying like this. I mean, this guy is just buying stock hand over fist. And the stock here is just, it got a nice bounce on Friday, up 7%. So again, keep your eye on this. He's obviously, he's got insight to his customers. He's the CEO, and he's just buying nonstop Asana. OSTK, Marcus Lemonis, I think that's how you pronounce his name. He's in the company now. He's going to be an advisor. He came in and bought, you go over here, Overstock they are the new. They bought the Bed Bath and Beyond, the domain, also the Marcus Lemonis, director. He just bought 2 buys here, $500,000 each. He just picked up $14.94 and $15.67. Key buy here, nice big correction here, from 38 down to 16, 50% correction, good buy spot here. We got the trend line support here and got the bounce here, so be focused on this one for more upside. TTOO up 35%. This one here, buying and holding this one has not worked. Obviously, again, I would just be day trading this one. Day trading, swing trading, overnight at most. I would not be looking at this as a long-term play. Most likely going to get a reverse split coming on this one. You look here at the chart on FinViz, and this is a free service. FinViz, I pay for $39.99 a month for the to be able to do certain screens. There's certain perks for the $39 plan, but it's also free. But it draws the trend lines for you. So right here, TTOO, trend line resistance is right there, so you can see that where the support and resistance is. It's a great resource. I highly recommend going and checking out finviz.com. And as I said, the insider buying right now, this is what's it's all right there for you. And just focus on the insider buying, and you can see what's going on. VCNX, this is how I found this one. I found it Thursday night, and up 34%. This is when the news hit the tape, so you can go and see that right there on FinViz. The other insider buying, a lot of Pershing Square. They've been picking up Howard Hughes Holdings. Bill Ackman there, he is a director, and just buying the stock hand over fist. But again, if we're going to go into a recession next year, this stock is going to get hit. They own Summerlin outside of Las Vegas. It's a master plan community. If we go into recession, real estate is going to get hit, and that is what their focus is, the Howard Hughes holdings. So let's see how it plays out. But I think if you're looking for a longer term play, I'm talking 3, 4, 5, 10 years, I think this could be a good bet. Put it on your radar screen. Moving on, GNS, Genius Group Limited, got a nice bounce past couple of days, dipped below $1, was all the way over the summer down to 50 cents, ran all the way to 248, corrected. Again, trade it, don't own it. AMC, you guys know what I'm talking about. Trade them, don't own it. Perking up here on the news of the Taylor Swift movie. They're going to be shown in AMC. Big bounce off of that. She's just she's one of the most influential people out there. The Swifties, they're just in love with her, and they follow her wherever she goes. PRZO, this is a drone play, Israeli tech company, recent IPO. We got the news over the weekend that Hamas and Israel are at war. So I think we're going to get this one here. This is a drone play. They put out news. Australian regulator approves first commercial drone flights in populated areas and near people using PRZO safety systems. So again, this is an Israeli drone play. I would focus on this one. I think we get this one trends higher next week on the news of the war, what's going on there. What else we got here? ICU. So I got a comment on the last video. Do you think ICU is a potential long? Trade it, don't own it. I think down here they're either going to do a reverse split or an offering. They got news last week. The FDA grants breakthrough device designation to C-Star Medical's selective cytopheretic device for cardiorenal syndrome, and then the other one for provide a regulatory update regarding selective cytopheretic device use in pediatric acute kidney injury under a humanitarian device exemption. So we got two news. That's the reason for the stock to pop last week. I think they're going to either do a reverse split or an offering. They need to raise cash. They're going to be they're going to be presenting at the Dawson James Small Cap Growth Conference on Thursday, so I'd be focused on that, see what they have to say there. Hopefully more insight as to what's going on, what their longer term plans are. Again, it's really hard to fall in love with any small caps right now in terms of potential long. You know, I read all the comments. Go ahead and leave a comment if you want me to look at it at a particular name that you own or whatever. But again, like I said, I'd be just focused on trading them, don't own them. GRTS had a big week last week. We got news. Jones Research has initiated coverage, price target of $10. The research group says it sees Gritstone as a highly underappreciated story with its vaccine candidates for SARS and colorectal cancer are as differentiated from other mRNA vaccines in both immunogenicity and durability. It says that it sees MSS-CRC as a $2 billion plus market opportunity, noting that initial data from phase 2-3 study for the vaccine is expected in Q1 2024. Jones added that it also sees attractive upside potential from the company's KRAS and HIV drug candidates. So this company has a lot of in play, a lot going on. They closed at 285. They put a $10 target on it. Funny thing is, I've never heard of Jones Research, so I don't know how accurate they are or how much I want to bet on them. So again, take it with a grain of salt, trade it, don't own it. Let's see how it plays out. But again, let's see how this week is. You know, I like the bounce on Friday. I think it was positive. Am I full on bullish? Do I think the shorts are in trouble? I think the shorts right now, they're not too nervous. Things have been, you know, trending in that direction. The shorts have been banking over the past couple of weeks. You know, we start getting more, you know, buyers off the sidelines. We start getting some more squeezes. Let's see. It's a tough call right now. I will be, you know, if I see anything pre-market, you know, I'm screening every morning, looking for you guys, hot plays. So again, make sure you sign up. It's completely free. We do our pre-market screens every day. And as I said, you know, in terms of our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. And here at insiderfinancial.com, what we try to do is put stocks on your radar with the potential for outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at insiderfinancial.com. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. The video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.